Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 26, 2022, 5-star Sudoku, 6th grade. We have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 3, 2, 5. The 3 numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, column J, column I, we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Sixth row, column B, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 8th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column F, column G, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column B, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 10th row, we already have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row and 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column H, we have 7 and 9. 7 will come in one of the 2 cells. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D and 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, then column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column J, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column J, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. 10th row and 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of 2 cells. Column F, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column F, we already get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 6th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.